Hi friends, this is Sonia. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace flower applique. This video is dedicated to you friends. So let's see. Start with the magic ring and chain 3. One, two, three chains. Make a double crochet in this ring. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Then make 2 double crochets together in this ring. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 5 times. I crocheted 5 times. Then chain 4. Make a slip stitch in third chain. Pull the tail end to tighten. Make a slip stitch in third chain. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 1. Make a single crochet in first space. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over to make a double crochet. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Then yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a single crochet in same space. Make a single crochet in next space. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Yarn over to make a double crochet. Yarn over twice to make a triple crochet. Yarn over 3 times to make a double triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Chain 6. Make a single crochet in same space. Repeat in all spaces. Keep going. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. At the end, chain 6, then make a single crochet in same space. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 1. cut the yarn off. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I'm very grateful for your consideration. Thanks for visiting. I hope you like this video. I'll be back very soon with more educational videos. See you later. Bye.